Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify, your go-to channel for everything finance and crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrency using the Bitget wallet on your PC. If you are new to Bitget or just looking for a refresher, stick around because we are going step by step from setting up your account to making your first purchase. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to bitget.com and either sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. If you're signing up, make sure to fill in your details like your email address and create a strong password. You will receive a verification code in your email. Simply enter it to complete the sign up process. Once you have verified your account, log in and let's move on to the next step. For added security, I recommend enabling two-factor authentication or 2FA. To do that, go to your account settings, then navigate to security section. From here, you can set up 2FA with Google Authenticator or SMS. This step is optional but highly recommended to keep your funds safe. Next, we need to deposit funds into our Bitget account. You can do this in a couple of ways, either through a bank transfer, using a debit card or credit card, or by depositing cryptocurrency from another wallet. To deposit fiat currency like USD or EUR, just click on the deposit and choose your preferred method. Bitget supports both credit cards and third-party payment services like Banxa and Simplex for fiat deposits. If you already have some crypto in another wallet, you can transfer it here by selecting Crypto Deposit, copying your Bitget wallet address and pasting it in your external wallet. Make sure you choose the correct network when transferring. Once your funds are available, it's time to buy some crypto. Head to the Buy Crypto tab, which can be found at the top of the page. Here, you will see options for buying through spot trading or the express method. For beginners, I recommend using the express option. It's the easiest way to get started. Just enter the amount of fiat currency you want to spend, select desired cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other coin and click Buy Now. After clicking Buy Now, you'll be taken to the payment confirmation page. If you deposited fiat currency, you can use it directly to complete your purchase. Otherwise, Bitget will automatically convert it into the cryptocurrency of your choice. Once your payment is confirmed, your purchased crypto will be credited to your wallet. Easy as that. To check everything went smoothly, head over to the Assets tab. Here, you will see your wallet balance including the newly purchased cryptocurrency. And that's it. You have successfully purchased cryptocurrency on Bitget using your PC. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Financify for more tutorials on crypto and finance. Let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like to see covered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.